In this video, we will learn how to create Azure Data Factory. So I have opened this Azure portal. Once you will open, this is your home page, and you have to click on this plus icon here, create a resource. Once you will click it here, either you can search it here as a data factory. Here is the option. Once you will click it, it will allow to create the data factory. Else, go home again, and once you will click here, you can see here data factory is also coming in the quick access area. So I'm just clicking here. So this page will open. Here you have to select your subscription. So this is the free trial subscription as of now, and I'm going to create a new resource group. So SKP Smart Learning. Okay, and now I'm going to create our Azure Data Factory with the name of SKP ADF demo. Reason I'm going to select it is US. You can select any one of them. So this is fine. Version 2 is the current version of Data Factory. So we don't have other versions. So this is the default one. Git configuration, we will keep it as a check. So we are not going to configure here Git as of now. So we will do it later. So check it here. Network will not do anything. Everything will be default. For advanced, we are not doing anything. For tag, again, we are not going to do anything. We will click on create and review. It will just validating here. It will take few seconds to validate, and see, it's validated, and message is showing validation passed. Once it is passed, you have to create it here, create button. Then this all, using this all configuration like subscription this, resource group this with all this information which we entered earlier, this will create a data factory. Okay, so now it is being created here. So to go to data factory, need to click here, go to resource, and now this is your data factory open. Okay, so to create your pipeline, first pipeline, you need to launch your launch studio here. So once you click here, another window will pop up, and it will show you all the options that is available to create your pipeline. Okay, so now this page has opened, and now these are the options: homes, author, monitor, manage, and learning center. So generally within this page, what option you are getting from this author, this all option you can get it from here itself, like pipeline, Power Query, data flow, and data sets. So once you will click here, same option you will get there as well. So pipeline, change data capture, data set, data flow, Power Query. So here we are going to create a new pipeline. To create a new pipeline, we will have to click on this pipeline, 3 dot. Either you can go to 3 dot and create on this new pipeline, or you can click on this plus icon and you can select a new pipeline. Either way you can create, both are correct. So I'm just clicking here, and currently my pipeline name is pipeline 1, so I'm going to keep it like SKP. First of all, PL stands for pipeline, SKP blog to blog. So this is my pipeline name, and this pop-up window is there. So once you will click on this properties right top corner, it will disappear, and again once you will click it here, it will come again. So for now I'm just hiding it, and you can see the name which I have kept it here. this is showing here. So again this is taking some space. I will just click on this collapse resource span. So this will hide it. To unhide, again I need to click in expand, and again to hide collapse. Again these are the activities, and I am gonna to show you how to move data from one block to another block. So to do that, this is the copy activity which we are going to use. So we will learn in the new video how to use this copy activity. Thank you.